Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, where you can be still and undisturbed for the next few minutes. Allow your body to settle and become heavy against the surface supporting you. Take a moment to close your eyes gently, letting your eyelids become soft and relaxed. Let's begin by taking 3 deep, nurturing breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale fully through your mouth. Notice how your body naturally expands and contracts with each breath. Again, breathe in deeply, hold it for a moment, and release with a gentle sigh. One more time, draw in that life-giving breath and let it go, feeling tension melt away with your exhale. Now allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm. There's no need to control or change anything. Simply observe the gentle flow of air moving in and out of your body, creating a peaceful rhythm that will anchor you throughout this meditation. Bringing your attention now to your body, let's begin a gentle exploration of where you're holding energy and tension. Continue to breathe naturally as we move through this process. Starting at the crown of your head, notice any sensations present there. Perhaps you feel a slight tingling or warmth. Moving down to your forehead and temples, observe if there's any tightness here. With your next exhale, imagine any tension in these areas softening and dissolving. Take another deep, conscious breath, feeling the cool air flowing in. Scan down to your jaw and neck. Many of us carry stress in these areas. As you breathe, visualize golden healing energy flowing into any spots of discomfort. Take a moment to check your breathing again. Is it still flowing smoothly and easily? Let your awareness drift down to your shoulders and upper back. Notice if they're raised or tense. With each exhale, allow them to drop and relax a little more. Continue breathing steadily as you move your attention to your chest and upper back. Feel the gentle expansion and contraction with each breath. Moving down to your abdomen, place your attention on the rising and falling sensation here. Take another deep, mindful breath, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. As you exhale, feel it softly contracting. Scan down through your hips, becoming aware of any tension or energy blockages. Let your breath be your guide as you release any tightness you discover. Notice your legs, from your thighs down to your feet. Feel the weight of your body pressing down, allowing gravity to draw out any remaining tension. Take one more deep, conscious breath, feeling the energy flowing freely throughout your entire body now. Notice how different parts of your body feel more open and relaxed. As you continue breathing deeply and naturally, let's begin to calm and quiet your mind. Imagine you're sitting beside a peaceful stream. The water flows gently, creating a soothing rhythm that matches your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, watch as one of your thoughts appears as a leaf, landing softly on the water's surface. Notice how the leaf doesn't fight against the current. It simply floats along, carried by the stream until it disappears from view. With your next breath, allow another thought to become a leaf. It doesn't matter what the thought is, whether it's a worry, a task, or a memory. Just place it on a leaf and let it drift. Take another conscious breath now, feeling your chest rise and fall. Any racing thoughts that enter your mind can be transformed into leaves. There's no need to chase them or hold on to them. Simply acknowledge each thought, place it on a leaf, and watch it float downstream. Notice how the stream continues flowing, just as your breath continues flowing. Inhale deeply and feel the cool air filling your lungs. Exhale slowly and watch another leaf drift away. Your only task is to breathe and observe. If you find your mind becoming busy again, gently check your breathing. Is it still smooth and steady? Take another deep breath and return to watching the stream. Some leaves might carry worries about the future. Others might hold thoughts about the past. Let them all float away with equal gentleness. Breathing in deeply once more, imagine the stream carrying away any mental tension or stress you've been holding. With each exhale, feel your mind becoming quieter, like the surface of a still pond. The thoughts are still there, but they no longer create ripples in your consciousness. Continue breathing mindfully as you sit by your peaceful stream. Notice how much easier it is to let thoughts come and go without becoming caught up in them. Each breath refreshes and calms your mind, creating more space. But take a slow, deep breath now, and as you continue to rest in this peaceful state, let's explore what truly lies within our control. Notice your breath, this simple yet powerful tool that you can always choose to guide. Take another conscious breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As you breathe in, consider the many aspects of your life that you can influence and shape. Perhaps it's your daily routines, the words you speak, or the way you respond to challenges. With your next exhale, acknowledge the power you hold in these choices. Check your breathing once again. Is it still flowing smoothly? Take a moment to adjust if needed, finding that comfortable rhythm that supports you. As you breathe steadily, begin to contemplate the things that lie beyond your control. The weather, other people's choices, the past or future uncertainties. Notice any tension arising as you think about these uncontrollable elements. Take another deep breath, and with your exhale, practice releasing your grip on these aspects of life. Just as you can't control the wind, but can adjust your sails, you can choose how to respond to life's unchangeable circumstances. Breathing in deeply now, feel the strength in accepting what you cannot change. Exhale fully, letting go of the weight of trying to control the uncontrollable. With each breath, you're practicing the delicate balance of engaged acceptance. Take another mindful breath and notice how your body feels as you embrace this understanding. Some situations we can actively improve, while others invite us to practice acceptance. Both paths require the same inner strength, the same steady breath. Once more, Allow each inhale to fill you with clarity about what you can influence, and each exhale to carry away the burden of what you cannot. Feel the freedom in this distinction, the peace in this understanding. As you continue breathing steadily, recognize that even in situations beyond your control, you always have power over your response. Your breath remains a constant ally, helping you navigate between action and acceptance, between doing and being. With your next breath, feel the wisdom of knowing the difference between what you can and cannot change. Let this awareness settle into your body, bringing both peace and empowerment. Your breath supports you in both accepting life's unchangeable elements and taking action where you can make a difference. Bring your attention to the flow of energy throughout your entire body. Take a deep, conscious breath and observe how this vital energy moves with each inhale and exhale. Feel the subtle tingles and sensations as your breath carries life-giving oxygen to every cell. Notice any areas where energy feels stuck or stagnant. As you breathe in, imagine fresh, revitalizing energy flowing to these places. With each exhale, release any tension or negative energy that no longer serves you. Let your breath be the gentle current that washes away what you're ready to let go of. Check in with your breathing once again. Is it still deep and nurturing? Allow your next inhale to be even more expansive, creating space for positive energy to flow freely. As you exhale, feel any remaining heaviness melting away, like ice dissolving in warm sunlight. Bring your awareness to your feet and ankles. With each breath, feel the energy flowing upward through your legs, dissolving any tension it meets along the way. Continue up through your knees, thighs, and hips, allowing this cleansing energy to release any held stress or discomfort. Take another mindful breath as this wave of energy moves through your lower back, abdomen, and chest. Feel how your breath naturally expands and contracts these areas, creating a rhythm of release and renewal. Let go of any emotional tension you might be holding in these spaces. Notice your breathing pattern now. Let it guide you as the energy flows through your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands and fingers. Feel any remaining tension dissolving with each exhale. Allow this healing energy to move up through your neck, across your face, and to the crown of your head. With your next breath, experience your whole body as a channel of flowing, vibrant energy. Feel how each inhale brightens this energy, while each exhale carries away anything that dulls your natural radiance. Your breath continues to be the gentle conductor of this healing flow. Take one more deep cleansing breath. As you exhale, feel the lightness and space you've created within. Your body is now a clear channel for positive energy to flow freely, supporting your highest well-being. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take one more deep, conscious breath. Notice how different your breathing feels now compared to when we began. Feel the natural rhythm you've established, calm, steady, and nurturing. Allow your attention to rest gently on this breath, appreciating how it has been your constant companion throughout this journey. With each inhale, acknowledge the peace you've cultivated. With each exhale, feel the deeper sense of acceptance that has grown within you. Remember the insights you've gained about what you can change and what you need to release. Just as your breath flows in its own perfect rhythm, life too has its own flow. You don't need to control everything. Some things can simply be observed and accepted, just as you observe your breath without trying to change it. Take another mindful breath now. Feel how your body has settled into a state of quiet awareness. Notice the spaciousness in your mind and the gentle flow of energy through your being. This state of calm is always accessible to you, just a few conscious breaths away. Check in with your breathing one final time. Let it be deep and satisfying, filling you with vitality and peace. As you prepare to return to your day, know that you can carry this sense of serenity with you. The same breath that has guided you through this meditation will continue to be your anchor to this moment of tranquility. Begin to bring gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Feel the weight of your body and your connection to the surface beneath you. Carry with you the understanding that breath by breath, moment by moment, you have the power to choose peace, to accept what is, and to move forward with grace. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, knowing you can return to this place of calm whenever you need to. The breath will always be here to guide you back to center, back to peace, back to yourself.